Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers back at you with another video. I woke up kind of late this morning and I was just thinking, heads all foggy, and it just came to me as I tried to open my laptop over here. I was having some connectivity issues. You know how some of those days can be when you're having a bad tech day. Nothing seemed to be connecting right. It's taking forever for this to load, taking forever for this page to come up. Just kind of got frustrated, and then I thought, well, you know what? What would I do if there was no internet right now? What if the internet got shut off? I mean, period. Internet for everybody just got shut off. Could I use my affiliate marketing knowledge and skills to still make money? And then I thought, you know what? Yeah, I could. Because if the internet got cut off, I still have my trainings that I have already downloaded to special USB devices that I can just plug into something that doesn't even require any internet at all. And my training's just there. That's awesome. And I was able to do this because I joined a particular opportunity that already has that as a part of its opportunity. It is a one-up leverage system. You may have heard of these one-up compensation programs where, like, if you come in to a business opportunity and you purchase one of their products, the first or the second sale that you make will go up to your sponsor. This is known as leveraging because then in turn, whoever they bring in, their first or second sale will come up to you. And it happens to infinity. So no matter how many people you bring in, either their first, well, in this circumstances, their second sale will always come to you. It keeps happening like that over and over again. So the commissions build up. That's called leverage. It's the one-up leverage. It's awesome. It's often, especially when you have worthy price points. Now, I just wanted you to take a look at this. This is a nice little box here, isn't it? This little purple velvety box. Beautiful. Let's take a look on what's inside here. Let's see. When we open the box, what do we got? Two USBs. You see a blue one and you see a black one. See? Just flip them like that. Pretty neat little style, right? Neat little style. Stick them in your thing. And all of your lessons are in there. Blue one, same thing with the blue one. See? Flips out like that. Cool, right? Stick it into your USB reading device. And all your lessons, all your trainings. And in this case, there's a lot of offline trainings. In other words, advertising and marketing ways, strategies that you can implement that don't even involve the internet. Well, what's the name of this opportunity where such a thing comes along with an awesome training manual that says I quit? And it's a network marketing manual. You might say, well, I don't want to be a network marketer. I'm not into that. Well, what are you into? Because life is about network marketing. Ever since kindergarten. Think about it. Ever since you were in kindergarten, you've been doing network marketing. You gotta meet the other kids. You had to learn how to get along. And then you realize to get certain things, you kind of had to cooperate with this kid or that kid. You definitely had to cooperate with the teacher, right? So you were, in effect, learning networking. You were learning how to network with people. That's network marketing. So don't say you don't want to be a network marketer. This is the skill sets here, along with all kind of training, offline marketing records, as well as online, of course. Of course, because, hey, the internet isn't shut off, and it's still one of the greatest tools ever invented for us. I'm so glad to be alive in these days and times where we can utilize such tools. You know, it's a fool who doesn't take advantage of the tools of his time that was made for man to further advance himself. Yeah. Yeah. So where are you going to find such a guide and such extensive trainings? At gobig.instantcashfunnel.com. Go big, because this is big earnings. What do I mean by this? Remember I told you about the one-up compensation plan? Well, they have different price points, of course. And for this gobig.instantcashfunnel.com, the lowest product training package that you can get is $500. $500. And it goes as high as $3,500, even higher. There are people in these one-up programs for much lower levels. You see them being advertised all across the internet. For example, this book, I'm covering up at the bottom the author's name on purpose because I want you to be surprised when you yourself get this yourself and you realize who the author is. I say that because there are many people who are in another popular one-up program called Easy One-Up. And its lowest level is $25. That's not a high ticket, but it goes up to $2,000. And what I don't understand is why would people leave something like that to go chase something that's so-called bigger? It goes all the way to $2,000. But okay, maybe that's not big enough for you. Well, what if there was a program like Easy One-Up that went to, I don't know, as high as $12,000? And what if you find out that there are people that are actually paying that? Of course, there's levels all in between. Get in where you fit in. I'm going to try to, of course, encourage you to go as high as you can go. But you say, well, I may not have that amount of investment up front. No worries. When you come in at gobig.instantcashfunnel.com and I see that you're in there, pick a level you want, then give me a call. I guarantee you, I'm going to get you in with a special payment plan. I'm doing payment options, payment plans that are unheard of. They're unheard of. But this is what I'm offering. I'm an independent affiliate. I'm an entrepreneur. And I want to see you win. So I'm going to give you a way to get in at these bigger levels. Can you imagine getting a sale tomorrow for $3,500? Would that not take care of all of your bills for a month? I know for most of us, that would take care of our bills for 2 months. And so here we are. Let's just take a quick look at what we get after you register yourself at gobig.instantcashfunnel.com. This is the cash secret. Cash secret, folks. That's what it is. That's the opportunity. And you're going to see some good testimonials. And even more so, at the very main site itself, the very presentation page is a training all by itself. For example, if you take a look at this, the cash leverage and the cash secret compensation plan and how it all ties together, why it was made the way it was made, how you can use this as the perfect retirement plan for long-term care well into your senior ages, estate planning, supplement, or straight up total replacement for Social Security benefits, which I'm sure you've heard all the stories. That's pretty much getting depleted. Awesome, 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 awesome. And also, take a look at some of the products here. Just a second while it loads up. You get a look at some of the product levels. Very awesome. And as I said earlier, when you come in, I have some exclusive payment plan options. Exclusive. And again, all of these lessons and product course levels, you're going to get this USB box here, I showed you earlier, special little box. You might want to open it up again, right? You'll get those two USBs, the black one and the blue one. You can take it with you anytime, pop it into any device that can read via USB. Anything that has a USB, you can just pop this on in and access all your trainings there as well. So you bring the trainings along with you. This is just an awesome opportunity, folks. Trust me. You're going to want to get in on this. And you won't need any more business opportunities or any more affiliate marketing opportunities. Really, you won't. This is going to tell you, give you everything you need. From mid-ticket to high tickets. I have a special payment plan option for you to come right in today. You could earn your first instant commission as soon as tomorrow. You could earn your first instant commission as soon as tomorrow. Now, what does that mean when I say instant commission? If you refer these trainings to anyone and they buy it, regardless of what level, from the 500 to even the 3,500 level or higher, you're going to get paid at the moment of sale. Details are in the inside. I help you set up everything. Don't worry about anything technical. That's on me there. So you don't worry about that. But you got to start by registering for free at gobig.instantcashfunnel.com. I'm glad you guys stopped and took a look at this video. And I just want to say, I look forward to seeing you on the inside so that we can put some real money in your pocket now. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.